Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Peacock to Spanish. So if you want to enjoy your favorite shows in Spanish on Peacock, here's how you change the language settings. So first things first, you want to launch Peacock app on your device or visit the Peacock website, okay? Then what you need to do is basically you need to select content, like, choose a show or movie that you actually want to watch, right? Then you need to play this. So while the show or movie is actually playing, you want to tap or click the audio and subtitles icon. Usually it is represented by a speech bubble or a settings icon. Then in the audio settings, what you want to do is you want to select Spanish as the preferred audio language, okay? And if you'd like, what you can also do is you can go ahead and enable Spanish subtitles for an enhanced viewing experience, and the language preference will automatically apply for the selected content. And it's important to note, guys, that not all shows and movies have Spanish audio or subtitles, so you want to actually check the availability before proceeding. But it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.